Hello, this is Prince Joseph, and today we're going to be making pig trotters in marinara sauce. So what we're going to be doing with our pig trotters is pour the hot water on it so it cleans it thoroughly. So I'll keep the hot water around it for approximately 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll transfer it into the pressure cooker, and then I'm going to pressure it for like an hour so we can get the pig trotters to soften up, so we can get the gelatin out. The gelatin is very important for the human body. Anyway, we will transfer our meat. We'll add in some oregano. We'll also add in basil. We'll add in a bit of parsley as well. We have some garlic here. We'll toss that in, and we'll add in our hot water and boil it for an hour. And we'll have it very soft, very tender, and seasoned.
1 hour later.
Okay, at this point, our pig trotters is nice and soft. We're gonna go ahead quickly and we're gonna add in the marinara sauce, and then we'll add in Worcestershire sauce, and we'll add in oregano, we'll add in some basil, we'll add in our garlic and some parsley and a little bit of olive oil, and then we'll have it to steam a little bit, and I think we'll be ready. We'll just add in a little bit of sauce. I'll add a bit of water as well so it's not so thick. Add in the Worcestershire sauce. Add in your garlic, a little bit of basil. These are all the things that we have in marinara sauce. Get some oregano. Okay, lightly. And let's add in our parsley. Your collagen supports skin health as well, right? So it helps skin elasticity. So it's good for anti-aging. If you want your skin to be nice and young, and you want to look youthful. And your gelatin also contains glycine, an amino acid that helps with type 2 diabetes. We're going to steam this for an additional 2 minutes. We will be done, and I will plate it. So this, you can have it, as I said earlier on, you can have it with your potato mash, your rice, which could be brown rice, white rice, some quinoa, couscous, any starch that you're familiar with or you enjoy. This could be a side sauce for it. I'll go ahead and I'm gonna plate this. I'll plate it just right next to it here, and we will be done. This is it. This is our trotters. It looks beautiful. It's definitely going to taste great. Okay, I have so much ideas full of health benefits to share with you, and I hope you return back to my channel. As I always say, please follow me on all my platforms, and I will see you soon. I love you. Bye.